Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of the USDJPY currency pair on March 9th. We saw that last week, following a sharp increase in oil prices, the US dollar strengthened. And in this currency pair,
learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
we also witnessed a 1% rise. Now today, the price opened with a 0.17% increase, and this rise continued up to the resistance level of 158.86. We see this key level at the edge of a weekly FVG, which the price has previously reacted to, and over the past 7 months, the price hasn't been able to close above this level. For the daily time frame, we can observe that last week, on the first trading day after the announcement of the war news between Iran and the United States and the strengthening of the dollar, a strong bullish candlestick was formed, and within this candlestick, a daily FVG zone was created. Later in the past week, the price fluctuated between the higher daily FVG and this zone, but eventually, with the start of this week, the price moved above this area as well and is currently reacting to the daily order block. As mentioned, the area that the price reacted to today is one of the most important resistances ahead for this currency pair, and if the price can break through this resistance zone strongly, we can expect it to reach the daily BPR in the 160 price range. We are currently reviewing the economic calendar. On the last trading day of last week, March 6th, important economic news was released for the US dollar, the most significant of which was the non-farm employment change, which came out at 92,000. As a result, we saw a sharp weakening of the US dollar in the short term. However, this week you can see that there will not be any major economic news for the Japanese yen. And as for
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
News that could impact the dollar. On Wednesday, we will have the US dollar CPI news. On the currency strength chart, you can see that even with the release of very weak economic news for the US dollar, and considering the ongoing military tensions and rising oil prices, we are witnessing that the US dollar is being traded with significant strength against the Japanese yen. These conditions are also present on the daily chart, and we can expect that as long as the military tensions do not subside, the US dollar will remain one of the strongest currencies in the market. We are currently analyzing the 4-hour time frame. We can see that the USDJPY currency pair is clearly moving within an ascending channel and has consistently reacted to both the top and bottom of this channel. In the recent move, after the price reacted to the 4-hour FVG area around the 158 level on Friday and trading ended, the price strongly broke through this area at the start of this week. We are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. Here, we can clearly see that on Friday, after the release of weak economic news for the US dollar, there was an initial reaction with the dollar weakening. However, after a short period, the US dollar regained strength, which led to an increase in the price of this currency pair. Now, today we see that at first there was a strong upward movement, but then it was followed by a deep correction. This correction continued down to the 4-hour and 1-hour FVG zone, reaching the 158.203 area, after which the price rebounded upwards. While the sentiment in the Forex market still points toward a strengthening US dollar, we are still looking for opportunities to enter buy positions. As you can see, this candle, in the form of a pin bar, has penetrated into the 4-hour and 1-hour FVG zone. If we continue to see 2 more bullish pin bar candles, and the last candle closes above the previous ones, we can consider that this correction has ended and, accordingly, enter a buy trade. In this setup, which is executed using strategy number 3, we place the stop loss below the shadow candle, and for take profit, we will aim for an ROR ratio of 1:1 and 1:2. Wishing you success and profitable trades.